Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today on this cold snowy day, I'm going to show you how to make ricotta cookies. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need a half a cup of butter softened, which is 1 stick, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 7.5 ounces of ricotta cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And I already added that all to my flour here. And then for the glaze, you need 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, which I do not have out yet, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 1/4 cup of some kind of sprinkles. Since I'm making these on this snowy day, I'm going to use just different blues, the sanding sugar and sprinkles for my cookies. But you could easily do Halloween, Christmas, whatever you want. So let's go ahead and get started by preheating our oven to 350 and then lining a baking sheet with parchment paper. Okay, next we are just going to cream together the softened butter and sugar with an electric mixer until it's combined. Alright, next I'm just going to go ahead and beat in the egg. Alright, next I'm adding in my ricotta cheese and my 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So for the ricotta cheese, I just did half of my container because I have 15 ounces. So you could really double this recipe if you wanted. I'm going to make 24 cookies, but you could easily make 48 and use the whole container of ricotta. Alright, that is nice and combined. So now in my separate bowl, I'm going to just whisk my dry ingredients together. And then we're going to add them to the wet a little at a time. Alright, that is nice and combined. I'm going to take a tablespoon and just drop them by spoonfuls onto my parchment paper. Or if you have a cookie scoop, a small one, that would work great. Alright, my first batch is ready to go into the oven, 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, my first batch is out of the oven, and you just need to let them sit on your cookie sheet for 5 minutes and then move them to a wire rack to cool completely. All my cookies are out of the oven. My second batch was way bigger because I tried to stick to just 24, so you could easily make smaller cookies and get a lot more than 24 out of that. So I'm going to go ahead and let these cool while I work on the glaze. So you want to just take your powdered sugar, and we're just going to add a tablespoon at a time of the heavy cream until we reach the consistency that we want for our cookies. So that's really up to you. Alright, so my cookies are all ready right here. I really should have put something underneath my rack because I made a mess. But I put my glaze on really thick, so I still have about 4 cookies that don't have any glaze. But actually they're really good without the glaze too. So I'm going to let these set up. I ended up using 3 tablespoons of the heavy cream for my mixture, so it's whatever you want, and then be sure you add your 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract to that. But these look really cute on this snowy day. They look like little snow cookies, so I'm really excited to see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, let's see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.